Hi guys, I am back again and I'm recording my vlog, which I'm really enjoying, and I hope it's giving you an insight into some of the things that I get up to on a daily and a weekly basis. This week's been particularly fun. We've met loads and loads of people. Not everything is captured on camera, not even just the best bits, but certainly something interesting for you to check out. I have met with the accountants again this week, really just tweaking financial models and looking into the different company structure.
And the human hours of you. It's me, listen, Duncan bringing here like 20 years or whatever, years of experience in managing blah blah blah. So this is one of the biggest factors in the IT, okay? The other, it's the market, the volume of the market that we want to go in, the industry, right?
And how it all fits together in a kind of group environment. We met with a compliance expert who is really helping to lead the way that TAB decides to become regulated and who we can market our products to. It's a huge piece and it's something that we want to get right. And I'm dedicated, as I've said many times, to making sure this product is something that not just interests everyone but captures everyone, and that everyone can come and visit and get involved with. You see some more of Zohar, who is undoubtedly getting stuck into all aspects of the app business and really helping to rejuvenate the team really, and to build on this corporate culture that we're building here at TAB, where everyone enjoys coming to work, everyone loves being part of the team, and I really am feeling that now more than ever. You'll see a little bit from Aaron, who started to work with TAB on a kind of consultancy level, but with a view to coming on board and to helping us tweak our messaging. You see a little bit of me on a night out. I was invited by Nigel from Property Tent, who's doing some amazing things on Instagram. I really think what he's doing is great. We want to be involved. You'll see some collaborations between the two of us, and we went to Queensway, we went bowling, I even did a bit of curling for the first time. But we met the Sotheby's Realty guys, the UK Sotheby's property arm, amazing team, great to hang out with those guys. Thank you very much for having me. In association with TAB and with
Beth Fisher at Bridging Commercial.
we are bringing Defendercast to the FP show, and I'm incredibly excited. I love Bridging Commercial. You guys may or may not have seen me floating around this industry for many years, but in a new guise under TAB and with Defendercast, I'm really excited to be sharing the experience with Bridging Commercial, and I hope you guys are too.
Yeah, I mean, we love to collaborate with these guys, and they have the innovation which kind of synergizes with us. We launched Bridging Commercial magazine to basically boost the conversations which are happening in the market, you know, increase transparency and also push up standards within the market. So we also want to do it in an interesting format, which we think your podcast does that exactly. So to collaborate with each other at the FP show, to get people in, ask the questions we wanted to ask, and just in a different way, in a different format.
Yeah, so you'll be invited to come and sit in the podcast station at the show. You'll be able to see what's going on from the outside, and obviously we will be cutting it down and producing it for you to consume whenever works for you.
And if you wanted to take part, you can register your interest. Have a look in the description box, and we'll give you some more details on where you can get in contact with us. And also, if you've got any questions that you'd like us to ask other people at the show, get in touch and let us know.